Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets to the home screen. So you have to click and hold your home screen, then tap on the widgets, and right now you have to choose clock or any other widget that you want to attach to your screen. I'm going for this digital dual clock, so we can click, hold, and then drag it, for example, in this place. As you can see right now, we have to choose our time zone for the 2 times. And right now when you click on that widget, it will be open. When you click and hold it and move for the right or the left side, you can move that widget for another screen. As you can see right now, it's right here. And if you want to remove this widget, you have to click, hold, and then drag to the right upper corner, just like that. But also when you click and hold it, and after that release, you can change size of that widget, just like that. Then you have to click here. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.